Good morning, my students of class 4. How are you? Hope you all are well and stay your home now. So, boys, today is Monday and the date is 13th July 2020. So, boys, today I shall start a new lesson that is chapter 8, and the name of the lesson is States in the Desert Region. So, boys, you all open your book, page number 62, and there we know the desert states. So boys, you always know which states are desert. So today I shall start the states that is Rajasthan. So let's start our study. At first we will know what is desert. I know you know, but I shall remember this point, that is desert is a barren area of landscape because it receives low amounts of precipitation, often has little coverage by plants, and in which streams dry up unless they are supplied by water from outside the area. Rajasthan is a desert and it is also India's largest state. So, boys, remember one thing, that is India's largest state is Rajasthan. It lies in the northwest of the country. So now we know about the location of Rajasthan, and you can see the map in your book or this page, that is along the west it shares a long boundary with Pakistan. In the east and northeast it shares borders with Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. In the southeast it has Madhya Pradesh, while in the southwest one finds the state of Gujarat. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan and it is also called the Pink City. So boys, remember this point, that Jaipur is called the Pink City. The other important cities are Udaipur, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur and now we know about the physical features of Rajasthan. The state has different physical regions. Number 1, at first we know the Thar Desert. The Thar Desert covers the western part of Rajasthan, covering 70% of the state. So boys, remember things, that is Thar Desert covering 70% of the state. The desert is a vast area of sand with little vegetation. Number 2 is Aravalli Range. The state is more or less divided by the Aravalli Range. It stretches from southwest to northeast direction. So remember the point, it stretches from southwest to northeast direction. Number 3, Mount Abu, the only hill station in Rajasthan, is situated in his range. So boys, remember things, that is Rajasthan is a desert state, but it has a hill station that is Mount Abu. Number 4 is land. The land to the east and southeast of the Aravalli Range are fertile plains that include Mewar forest regions, water bodies, and saltwater lakes. Next, we know the point is rivers. The Chambal, Banas, Luni, and Gambhir rivers are the main rivers in this region. Next we know the plateau. It has also a plateau. The plateau region consists of Malwa and the Vindhyas. So remember these two name of plateaus, that are Malwa and the Vindhyas. Next we know about the climate of the Rajasthan. Rajasthan has a dry type of climate because it is a desert state. It is extreme in nature, that is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. The average temperature in summer ranges between 25 degrees Celsius and 46 degrees Celsius, while in winter the temperature ranges between 8 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. Next we know about the vegetation. The soil and vegetation varies from place to place, we always know, and it is depending on how much water it receives. So boys, you always know that Rajasthan is a desert place, so there is much water it receives. In the drier areas, only a few grasses and small thorny shrubs and trees like kikar and the babul can grow. In the more fertile areas of the plains, the farmer grows food crops. Some people earn their livelihood through farming. The most important crops that grown are wheat, bajra, barley, and jowar. Maize, cotton, sesame, and groundnuts also grow well in Rajasthan. Then we know about the wildlife of Rajasthan. We always know there is a camel. So camels, buffaloes and tractors are used to plow the land. Apart from farming, domestication of animals is an important occupation. So remember this point. Domestication of animals is an important occupation in the people of Rajasthan. The camel is used for traveling as well as transportation of goods. The camel is used for traveling as well as transportation of goods. It is called the sheep of the desert. So boys, you all know that the camel is called the sheep of desert. So now we know about why the camel is called the sheep of the desert. Next we know about the minerals. The Plateau region has rich deposits of several minerals such as zinc, copper, gypsum, silver ore, asbestos, feldspar and mica. Marble, sandstone, redstone and other stones are extracted from quarries. Sandstone found in Jodhpur is used in monuments and buildings. So remember this point. Now we know about the handicrafts and industries. Handicrafts is a famous of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is famous for its jewelry made from precious and semi-precious stones. The handicrafts of Rajasthan, especially the tie and dye or badhni work, are also very popular. So boys, you all know and you always wore the badhni shirt or your mother wore the badhni saris, badhni salwar. So this is a very famous for Rajasthan. Industries, textiles, glass, sugar, chemical engineering and cement are the main industries found here. Rajasthan is the second largest producer of polyester fiber in India. So boys, remember one thing, that Rajasthan is the second largest producer of polyester fiber in India. Next, we know about the tourism part of Rajasthan. Some of the most popular tourist attractions of the state are the desert forts of Jaisalmer, Bikaner and Jodhpur, Amber Fort and Chittorgarh Fort, Umaid Bhavan Palace in Jodhpur, the Lake Palace and City Palace in Udaipur, and the Rambagh Palace in Jaipur. The Dilwara temples in Mount Abu are a sacred pilgrimage center of the Jains. So boys, there are lots of palaces and there also are forts, and the Dilwara temples in Mount Abu are a sacred pilgrimage center of the Jains. Next we know about the people and culture of Rajasthan. The people of Rajasthan speak Hindi, Rajasthani, Marwari and English. So remember this point. Hindi, Rajasthani, Marwari and English are the language of Rajasthan, of the people of Rajasthan. The women wear colorful ghagras with cholis and lots of jewelries. Men wear dhoti kurta with big colorful turbans. The state is famous for its festival like the Teej festival, Mewar festival, the Camel festival and many more festivals. Now we know about the Camel festival. It is held in Bikaner during January. It showcases the rich culture of the desert region. So boys, remember this point, that is Camel festival is held in Bikaner during. So boys, today's class is over, and if you have any queries or any problems regarding this chapter, you can call me or sending the message through WhatsApp between 11:30 to 12 on that day. and I shall give you some homework, and you can write down these in your geography copies, and when the school will reopen, the geography teacher can check your copies. So boys, thank you, and if you have any queries you can call or you can sending the message through the WhatsApp. So boys, thank you for this class.